that kind of unity what we are looking is, I don't think it is possible at this stage, because everybody is fighting for one pie. That is one pie. You know, she said corporate. When you go to corporate, so if I am handling some corporate business, I am charging X amount of profit, 10 people other will go then start undercutting it. Because it's not that they look at the profit what they are making, or they don't look at the ethics what they are doing it. So now, you know, what we are doing is we are surrendering our weaknesses to our competitors. We are surrendering our weaknesses openly. I said, this is my weaknesses, you can encash it as when you want. It's a blank check we are giving our business people. Secondly, what she is trying to say, okay, so now of late you have seen, do we have so much of association to exist in our country for one particular sector? See, for example, 10, 15, 20, 30. See, if you take a smaller association, they have 15 members, 20 members, 200 members, 300 members. But now we all had to put our head together, bring one association together. See, what happens, I could bluntly say, everybody wants to become a big head of some association. He wants to be on a platform. See now, today, tomorrow, if you see in Maharashtra, how many associations we have? Transport Association, Maharashtra Tour Operator Association, Vita Association, Western India Tour Operator Association, Western India Hotel Association, Western India Jal Vatuk Association. But common goal is tourism. Common goal is survival of our industry. What Hector is talking about, the numbers. And what Carl is also talking about, the same thing. But, you know, if you think logically, I think every membership has got some kind of a reservation to have merging with somebody or talking within same language with somebody. We have here trying to put our point across that we are the best, he is the lowest. But I'm telling you, the self-ego should remove among our association also. Personally.
See, that is the need of the hour, and that brings us back to
Brilliant.
politics,
Yes.
which is something that this trade has seen a steady erosion of, unfortunately.
And second, what she was mentioned, okay, now this will continue. It's not going to be full stop. But people will, this kind of a trend will convert into a consolidation. So who has generated this OTAs? What OTAs are doing it? Who bringing it? Because the OTAs are not travel agent. They are not tour operators. They are making money making machine. They are putting some investing to the airlines and buying tickets in lump sum with X price, selling it to everyone, Tom, Dick and Harry. Are they promoting tourism? Are they looking at the welfare of our country? If suppose they open an office in overseas market, if they start selling a ticket, who will pay your service tax? Where is your service tax gone? Where is your TDS is gone? You are siphoning money which is coming in as FDI, siphoning it from other way around. Why the government should not think this, they are losing money which foreign exchange coming into the country, it is going in a double way from other sources. I can open an office in Singapore, I can issue ticket left, right, center from Singapore sitting into pan India. No, see, second point, so now look at the ATFs. ATF is a major issue. Airport handling charges, major issue. UDF, major issue. Go to any part of the world, ATF is the highest in India. Why? Why? Are we looking just, see, because there are plenty of issues we can discuss. And I'm not trying to blame government, I'm not trying to blame airlines, but the whole environment has been corrupted. But now it requires, as rightly everybody agrees on this table, that unity is a must. We should put our egos behind and we work for the betterment of our country rather than betterment of working for one association, one company, one industry, one area. That message has to go across with everyone that we are working for our industry's civil aviation industry, our tourism industry. Today, if you see, I will ask you one question. Can you see a Singapore map on the world map? Can you notice where is the Singapore map on the world map? How many people they are getting it tourism? 30 millions and above. But you can see everywhere in India, what is our, we are dot as far as incoming is concerned. They are big, incoming is concerned. Where is the money? In inbound tourism, not in outbound tourism. Every government is projecting rightly that for 2020 we are going to go 50 million. The 50 million will take over $50 million from you. You are bringing 20 million, people say 12 million by 2020 of our past minister. Where is 12 million 2020? Where is 50 million 2020? Where is the comparison? How can you compare like this? But things are, we really things to change. But I am telling you that we need of the hour today is our think tank should sit down, and the political system should sit down with all the association leaders, and that some white paper has to be created to understand what we are talking about. Thank you.
I'd just like to add one thing on this business of commission. Now, about 15 years back when it went to 5, we stopped discounting totally. We never gave discounts to customers. And we didn't care whether business went to somebody else. But that was the ethic that we needed to learn 5% on our efforts. And that's something we kept all through. And we survived. So the point is there is always a big factor of survival. Sorry, whether I will survive if I'll give my commission and survive. I'll give my commission and survive. So this whole business got corrupted that way. Now the second point is that it's only commission that will allow us, give us a level playing field. Because if you are going to compete with OTAs, OTAs are going to be there. Today, consolidation, technology, public venture capital is the in thing. People are going to put money into venture capitals, into these kind of business models. So there won't be a situation whereby there will not be OTAs or something like that. The business has become big today. But what will help us to fight, or what will help us survive, is the fact that there is commission for our efforts. So if you are going to discount, if the OTA is going to give a 3% discount from somewhere, we also have somewhere to play with. But if there is no commission and you are going to start fighting with something, you will last maybe for 3 or 4 months and 6 months and then it's over. So that is one of the main reasons why we need to go back to the commission model, whatever it is, and try to make people understand that this is how it is. Now airlines, just to share something with you, is that believe that 80% of their business comes from 20% of the agents. So they also say, why should we give commission to everybody? This is, if you informally talk with people, they will tell you these things. So now that's a question that needs to be addressed by associations, which should say that, if you are looking at basic commissions for the entire agent community, and whoever you want to reward with later with more commission, that is left to you. But you cannot start rewarding from zero and say 1% is your consolidator commission, the rest gets 0. And the term commission has to be taken out from 0. There is no such thing as 0 commission. It keeps us happy when we go to sleep at night. There's 0 commission, but there's bloody hell nothing. So let us realize that word has to be taken out. When you report articles for newspapers and all, say there is no commission. Don't use the word 0 commission. What is 0 commission? It doesn't exist. So these things we should...
Can I respond to you? That,
keep in mind.
Yeah. See, now I'm just taking 2 minutes by Ty's perspective, because now I'm handling the helm of affairs of this, but every eyes will be looking at the Ty and Toffee or a bigger association who are majorly handling this issue. See, we had decided in Western Region meeting that commission is our legitimate right. We will fight for a commission. And okay, we are not going to accept the commission by say 0.5%. We want to have more than 5% commission on a total ticket cost. That's second. Thirdly, we had decided an emergency meeting on day before we could have a press conference. We had taken a strong decision with the managing committee that we are going to fight legal battle seriously. Of course, Toffee has extended his hand that then we will also be cooperating with you, but I'm sure all other also will be joining with us. So these 3 decisions, see, I also want to tell you, if the airlines doesn't remunerate agent, we are not in a stake of dying. rather they will be stake of dying. They are putting all their eggs into few basket or one basket. It will be a great threat to them. I'm telling you, I'm warning through your modem of instruction. But if you start bringing consolidation for your immediate short-term benefit, you will be getting a shock of your life by major defaulters coming into the place. Major defaulter coming into place. It is better you should risk your life in a different direction rather than risk your life with few pocket consolidators or monsters in your hand. Thirdly, if they don't go with the agent community, they are the marketing arms. If the marketing arms are cut, even OTAs are also not going to survive. Neither consolidators are also not going to survive. As I mentioned to you in my opening remark, we are all business people. If we don't get the remuneration in this business, we will start something. We will start BD shops. They say that we will start a plumber firm. We will keep 20 plumbers. We will send them to go and get 5,000 rupees to me every day. Yeah, you know, like training institute. We will start training institute. We will start training something else. See, because the agent community will survive, but I am not guaranteeing that they are going to survive the same business. Some other business will difficulty survive. Like for example, tourism. We will do tourism if we don't sell ticket. What we are losing if we are not selling the ticket? Nothing. We are not getting anything. Then why we are losing? We are no fear of losing anything. So now we are determined to get our legitimate right. I am sure with the help of all other association colleagues and help of media, help of all our people who think about this country's growth, they will support us. I'm sure, then if they support, then I will sure that I will get the commission to everyone.